You're listening to the Options Insider Radio Network. For more quality options programs, visit www.theoptionsinsider.com or search for Options Insider Radio Network in your podcast provider of choice. Listeners can also access all of our programming through our mobile app, available in iTunes and on Google Play.
Welcome to the Hot Options Report, your premier source for insight into the fast-moving options market. Each day, we'll track down the products that are dominating the options chains and impacting your trading account, from NVIDIA to VIX and everything in between. If it's lighting up the options tape, then you'll find it on the Hot Options Report.
All right, everybody, that music means it is time to wrap up your trading day with your dose of the Hot Options Report for an absolutely wild Thursday, April 30th. My name, of course, Mark Longo from the Options Insider Radio Network, reminding you, if you want to check out all this data we're going to talk about on the show and a whole bunch more we don't have time to get to, it's not a 20-hour show at the end of the day, then check out thehotoptionsreport.com. A ton of scans you can build yourself, or you can use some of the pre-baked ones like their 0 DTE spread scanner. What is that? That finds any 0-day option spread with a trade size greater than or equal to 500 contracts. These focus on the indexes. I'm sure they'll have some new ones that will scan these single name equities as well. So what was lighting it up out there on the 0-day spread front? We have a bunch of trades. How about an Iron Condor, listeners? Looks like there were a total of 11 trades that met the criteria for this scan today. I'll give you a couple of them. You can check out the rest for yourselves. An Iron Condor going up the 70.90, 70.95, 72.30, 72.35 Iron Condor. So $5 wide Iron Condor that is well outside the range of where we were trading, below 7,100 to the downside, above 72.30 to the upside. Might have been sweating that upside part of it a little bit, and looks like paper sold this for 55 cents, listeners. Again, a wild day. The market's closing up over 1% today, so just absolutely wild stuff on the backs of all of those earnings we broke down on the show yesterday. Pretty much every mega cap name you could think of reported last night, and the market liking what they heard, apparently. We're all in on AI. How about a call spread? By the way, that Condor went up 1,000 times. You want a call spread? How about the 72.80, 73.80 call spread? Went up 600 times for 7 cents, listeners. There's all sorts of fun out there. If you want to look, see what people are up to in 0-day, check out thehotoptionsreport.com, because now it's time for us to kick things into high gear, because the options market certainly kicked into high gear today. All of those earnings just driving things like crazy. Of course, we're still digesting what came out of the Fed, what's going on in the Gulf, and indeed some hot GDP numbers. Spoiler alert, AI's dominating everything out there these days, driving up GDP. Wild stuff. That's why it cost you well north of 500,000, 735,000 contracts, closing in on 500,000 contracts to break into the top 10 today. That's wild. We haven't been that action-packed in the options market in a little while. That kicks us off with AMD, listeners. $354.49 is where it went out, up $17.38, or over 5%. And the hot option on a wild day in AMD today, listeners, 63,000 of the 350 calls. These are expiring tomorrow, listeners. Average price for these, $4.50. It's like paper was buying these. It was an opening transaction. Obviously, they went out $4.49 in the money. So if you bought them for that average price, congratulations. You are exactly at break even right now. Any upside tomorrow is just gravy for you. As we keep climbing to number 9. Was Intel climbing? It seems like they are legally obligated to climb every session. They have more than doubled over the past month, threatening $100 in Intel. Absolutely wild stuff. Finally giving some back today, giving up, I should say, a whopping 27 cents. That's all they could sell off. That's all they could muster today, listeners. Closing 94.48, putting up 1.03 million. Yes, we're only at number 9. We're already north of 1 million contracts. That shows you just how spicy it was out there in the options market today. What was the hot option on a wild day in Intel? 71, almost 72,000. Of the 95s, yep, expiring tomorrow. Average price for these, $1.47. These were opening, so it was not a closing trade. Intraday high was right around 95.70, so these were about 70 cents in the money at one point. Either way, if you're buying these, you need Intel to get out of bed tomorrow. Luckily for you, it's had no problem doing that for the better part of the last month. So we'll keep an eye on them, as all eyes are definitely glued to the fruit company today. They are popping off after the bell today, but they managed to rally today like everything else, up $1.18 to close at 271.35, putting up 1.2 million contracts for the number 8 spot on our countdown today. The hot option in the fruit company, 46,000 of the 275s, listeners. Average price for these, $3.85. These are expiring tomorrow. Looks like a little bit of pre-earnings nibbling to the upside. Not quite as dramatic as we've seen in other names. 275 definitely seems like a doable level if you are buying the bullish story on the fruit company. Seems like so far in the after hours, the first blush is not looking bullish. They're sold off to 270 right now in the after hours. Again, fade the first move in the after hours on all these earnings. So we'll see if that continues to be the case tomorrow. But right now, if you paid $3.85 for these calls, not looking great. Let's keep climbing to the number 7 spot on our countdown today, listeners. This is the artist formerly known as Facebook. They got taken to the woodshed after their earnings yesterday. They sold off $57.21 to close down 8.55% to $611.91. They got down to exactly $600, 600.00 before bouncing. So all those who dismiss those important psychological levels, there you go, playing out like clockwork today. So they literally bounced off the par strike today, putting up 1.23 million contracts for the number 7 spot in our countdown today. The hot option in Meadowland, nearly 50,000 of the 720s. Before you say 720, what? They're not expiring tomorrow. They're not even expiring this month. They are expiring next month, the June 720s. They went up for $4.03. And before you scream, sold to you with both hands, that seems to be what paper was doing, hitting the bid on these bad boys. It wasn't opening trade. So would you do that covered call, listeners? Would you sell those for $4.03 and let some stock go, about 110 handles above where we are right now? I think a lot of people would do that trade, which is probably why they were overriding these calls. As we keep climbing to the number 6 spot on our countdown today, this our old pal Alphabet Class A. They were looking pretty classy today, up nearly $35 or almost 10% to close $384.80. Market liking their earnings, actually making some money on the cloud side, spending all the money on AI, but actually making some money as well. So a little bit of column A, a little bit of column B. Leads to a lot of green on the screen today. The hot option in Alphabet, again, putting up 1.24 million contracts. So it's a tight fight between Meta and Alphabet and Apple, all putting up right around 1.2 million today. But Alphabet coming in just slightly above them at 1.24 million contracts. The hot option in Alphabet today, 60,000 of the 380s, expiring tomorrow, of course. Average price, $2.75. Another opening trade. Looks like paper was biased towards buying these. And you can see why they went out $4.80 in the money. So $2.75, obviously a good price for these, listeners. We'll keep an eye on these as we keep climbing to number 5. This is the name we've been talking about a lot in our options oddities for our pro members. We were selling puts, we were doing wheels, we were selling coverage triangles. It all worked out pretty well. I think I just got called away just last week, actually, on this name. So I am out now on Mara, but the stock is up today after selling off yet again down to about $11, popping today up $1.27 or nearly 12% to close just a tick shy of $12, $11.99. Mara, if you're not familiar, they were a Bitcoin miner now trying to transition to this AI power infrastructure play, which, given the fact that we are spending nearly $1 trillion collectively, all these companies out there on AI infrastructure, may not be the worst thing. They also made an acquisition today, apparently. So they're pretty active on that front right now. and putting up 1.33 million contracts for the number 5 spot. Before you get too hot and bothered, it looks like there was a lot of flex flow going up out here, so a lot of paper being converted from American to European. That's usually what goes on with a lot of this flex flow. If you don't understand any of that, check out our educational shows like Options Bootcamp on the network. But if you want to get past the flex flow, the first, shall we say, traditional paper on the docket today is 35,000 of the June 12s. Average price for these is $1.44. That looks like those could be closing, though. There is OI on that strike. So you like those, listeners? Would you pay $1.44 for those, or would you be screaming sold to you? Are you trading Mara? I'm curious. Hit us up. Let us know. If you are, might want to check out the Pro. We're having some fun over there on that name and a bunch of others as we keep climbing to number 4. This is Mr. Microsoft. The market tends not to like them after earnings lately, and that is the case again today. They sold off another 16 2/3, or about 4%, to close 407.78, putting up 1.37 million contracts for the number 4 spot on our countdown today. The hot option in Mr. Softy, 55,000 of the 450s. Again, before you jump out of your chair saying sold to you, these are not the Mays. These are the June 450s, going up for $4.14. Once again, looks like paper was overwriting these, so not a bad little covered call if you can get it. Take some of the sting off today's sell-off at the very least, and I think if the stock rallies, you'll let some go at an effective price of $454.14. Listen, at least I know today, certainly a lot of folks will. As we keep climbing to the number 3 spot, was Amazon climbing today? The answer was yes, up $2.02 to close 265.06, putting up 1.75 million contracts for the number 3 spot on our countdown today. The hot option, 67,000 of the 260s. I'm sensing a theme here, listeners. In the money calls expiring tomorrow, and the average price was $3.52, which is also below where they went out today. They went out $5.06 in the money. So clearly, if you were paying that price for these, worked out pretty well. It's like paper might have been overriding these, though, in which case they might be sweating a little bit here. They need Amazon to turn around before the close tomorrow. As we keep climbing to the number 2 spot, it's Tesla. Were they climbing today? The answer was yes, up $8.83 to close 381.63, putting up a little over 2.5 million contracts for the number 2 spot in our countdown today. The hot option, 168,000 of the 380s. Again, in the money calls expiring tomorrow. That's our theme of the show, listeners. Average price for these, about $3. Looks like paper was leaning towards buying these opening trades across the board. They obviously went out $1.63 in the money. So if you paid nearly $3, you need that upside to continue tomorrow in order to, at the very least, break even on these bad boys. As we keep climbing to the number 1 spot, NVIDIA making headlines this week, setting new all-time highs. Could they maintain them today? Kind of a weird day. The rest of the market, fully rally ho mode. NVIDIA selling off over 4%, nearly 5%, about 4 2/3% out there, breaking back below that psychologically important 200 level, closing today near their lows for the session, 199.53, off $9.72. So don't see that too often when the market is fully in rally mode, that NVIDIA is very aggressively in sell-off mode. Yet that's what we saw today. NVIDIA putting up 4.19 million contracts. Take the top spot on our countdown today. The hot option in NVIDIA today, 225,000 of the 202 half calls expiring tomorrow. Average price for these, $1.64. You know the drill. Any price you paid for them right now, not looking great. You have another day for these to come back to you, but right now they are not looking great. On the flip side, looks like paper might have been selling these, in which case you're looking pretty good right now. Just need to sweat it out tomorrow. If we can close below 202.5, obviously that sale price will be looking pretty good, listeners. We'll keep an eye on these and all these names, including Apple, after the bell. Let's do another quick check-in on Apple before we go, listeners. Apple selling off $3 in the after hours now, trading 268.35. So again, those 275s not looking great, but we'll see where it opens tomorrow. That is going to do it for us on the Hot Options Report today. Back again tomorrow to talk some vol on volatility views, to talk some fun, unusual activity on options oddities exclusively for our pro members. And then we're back after the closing bell to wrap up yet another wild trading day and definitely a wild trading week with another episode of the Hot Options Report. Stay safe out there, everybody.
You're listening to the Options Insider Radio Network. For more quality options programs, visit www.theoptionsinsider.com or search for Options Insider Radio Network in your podcast provider of choice. Listeners can also access all of our programming through our mobile app, available in iTunes and on Google Play.